the Visp UBO desktop application is now finally available. Please note that only 64-bit systems are supported by the Visp UBO desktop program. To install in Windows, go to www.visp.net/download and click on this button to download the installer for Windows. Once downloaded, launch the executable file, click Install, and the installation will start. After a successful installation, a Visp UBO shortcut icon will be created and placed on your desktop. You may now start using your Visp UBO desktop application. For Mac users, go to the download page and click this to download the installer for Mac. Look for the downloaded file and double-click to start the install. In the install window, drag the Visp UBO icon into the Applications folder. Close the window. In your Mac desktop, eject the mounted Visp UBO. Then, go to Finder, Applications. Drag the app to your desktop to create a shortcut. On your first axis of the Visp UBO app, press Ctrl plus left click, then click on Open, and you can start using the Visp UBO desktop program.